Hey folks, we got another set of penny boats to show you. Some were great, some were not as great, but all were successful. Here we go. Let's see how many pennies it holds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, was it 14 in there?
No.
Just 13?
Yeah, 14.
You got 14 in there?
Yeah.
So it held 14. It looks like the ship is sinking. There it goes. Down goes the Titanic. All right, here we go. Next boat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It held 9 successfully. That actually looks like a really good surfboard. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's 6 successfully. Good job, folks. Good job. So here we go. One. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it still has 4 on it, right? See if you can get some more in that hole. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it holds 8.
It slides.
Yeah, it holds 8. All right, good job, good job. It doesn't sink, it just holds 8. I want the camera to like this. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. It holds 7. All right, let's see it.
Go, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. It held 5, and then it does the tippy thing.
Jamie, grab the pennies you just said.
Here we go. 1. Okay. 2. Don't rock the table, folks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. It held 6. Hey folks, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for the view. Remember to work hard because, yeah, hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.